take you out here and show you. Good morning, Switzerland. I'll show you around. So that's where we're staying, and that's the not awful view that we've got. And the plan for today is to get on a boat and go all around there.
That is Lake Geneva, and where we are perched is Chillon. And what's it look like down there?
Pretty clean. I'd swim in that. 10 out of 10.
Excellent made-up score.
You're so maritime-y. Yes. So, here we go. And yeah, it's raining a bit, but we don't care. Liquid sunshine. We love it, right? Mm-hmm. Show us what you got, Switzerland.
How great.
Hello.
Hello. Vevey. Excusez-moi.
Imagine how expensive the real estate is where the land is, where the vineyards are.
I can imagine. Pocket change. Lake Geneva. I love it.
We also stopped here for a bit.
Let's go. Great weather for a cruise.
One thing we've learned how to do that's really, I think, improved our travel style and helped us own it is not worry about the weather, because there's absolutely zero point worrying about something you absolutely can't control. So we just enjoy whatever the weather is, and quite often it changes pretty rapidly anyway.
Yep.
So what are you going to do?
You're going to enjoy it. Oh, look at them. They're all loving it. Yo!
Hello.
How was that?
Bonjour. It's really cool, especially when it stopped raining. I mean, you know, I just did that whole speech before about how we don't care about rain.
But we care.
It's better when it doesn't rain, let's be honest.
Yeah. One more dip before we go. Bonjour, fishies.
Bonjour.
Here's what we did. We basically walked down there via the
Yes.
vineyards, and then we got in a boat. See that boat coming in there? That's the boat we were on a couple of hours ago.
Yes.
All the way up, there's Montreux up there, all the way around the back end of the lake, all the way over to that town there, and then shooting across here.
Which is France over there.
Yeah,
That's all
France.
French territory.
We went to France for like 15 minutes.
How cool's that?
And we'll have another video up soon, won't we?
We will.